All right, we're doing a box of 2017 Prestige Football, 4 autographs per box. Plus, I got some bonus items going in. A pack of Black Friday football. Michael Crabtree, rookie, going out to the 49ers in the random. Steve Atwater, 89 score rookie, going out to the Denver Broncos in the random. And a Rudy Johnson game worn jersey card, going out to the Bengals in the random. So good luck on that. We're also giving away a free bonus spot to everybody that's in on the break already. Somebody will pick up a bonus spot. Good luck, guys. Starting from Jerry D down to Catherine B. Copy everybody's name. And bring it on over to random.org. Paste everybody in one time. We're going to delete the bonus spot on the list. One time. We'll go 9 times on the random. Whoever comes up in spot 1 after 9 times will pick up that free bonus spot. Good luck, guys. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck, guys. 9 times. Number 1 spot is Pooch 199. Pooch picking up that free bonus spot and 2 bonus teams. Congrats, bro. Thanks everybody for getting in on this. Appreciate it. And good luck. All right, here we go, guys. Prestige 2017. Let's do it. Couple bonus hits going out to everybody in the break. Congrats again to Pooch picking up the free bonus spot. So we're doing 2 random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left. Starting from Jerry D down to Catherine B. Copy everybody's name. Take you guys back over to random.org. And then we'll paste everybody in 2 times. You guys get 2 random teams per spot. All right. Once again, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, guys. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck, guys. 9. Pooch up top. And Chad C on the bottom. Get back over here to the football spreadsheet. And get you guys all set up with these teams, starting from Cardinals down to Redskins. Make those names a little bit bigger. Alright, guys, these are your teams for... Thanks, Jerry. Yep. Alright, these are your teams for the 2017 Prestige Football. Thanks again, guys, for filling it. Really appreciate it. Good luck, everyone. So we'll start with the bonus hits. First one up is for the Bengals. Rudy Johnson game-worn jersey going out to Cincinnati. And that one's going out to Pooch 199. Picking up that bonus Rudy Johnson jersey. Next up is Steve Atwater, rookie, 89 score, going out to Denver Broncos, and that is Catherine B. Catherine B picking up another Bambino bonus. And 49ers, Sam Fran picking up that Michael Crabtree rookie from the draft picks. Oh, nope, from Bowman. My bad. Thought it was draft picks and prospects. So, yep. Going out to San Fran 49ers and Keith B. Getting that Crabtree Bowman rookie. And we got a bonus Black Friday pack. We'll rip that open first, and then we'll get right into the Prestige Football. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up is Andy Dalton base. Going out to the Bengals, Cincinnati, and Pooch. Out to Pooch, Andy Dalton, and bang. Going out to the Chiefs, Kansas City, Chad C. Patrick Mahomes, a rookie. $3.99, number 55 out of 399 for the Chiefs. Very nice. Congrats on that. All right, and we'll get into the bonus hits. Prestige 2017. 4 autos per box. There's four jumbo packs. Each pack has an autograph in it. So good luck, everybody. Autofocus looks okay. That looks all right. I think we're good. All right, good luck, guys. So yeah, we got 4 packs here. Each pack has 1 autograph. Here we go. Prestige 2017 football. Let's just take them all out. 4 autos per box. Good luck, everybody. There it goes. Odell. Yeah, I think Odell's in here. You know who's definitely in here is the Kid Reporter. You know that Kid Reporter's in here. All right, first up, we got Darren Sproles for the Philadelphia Eagles. Going out to Philly. These are the base cards. I will kind of zip through those, but going out to Philly. Mike Glennon, Delaney Walker, Willie Snead, Crowell, David Johnson, Seahawks, Eddie Lacy, Von Miller, Drew Brees, and first up, Joey Bosa. Extra points variation going out to the Chargers. That one's number 48 of 50. And that one's Pooch. Pooch 199 picking up that 46 out of 50. Extra points, Joey Bosa. And right behind that, we got Ty Montgomery. Got a green variation. This one's for the Packers. Going out to Green Bay. And Catherine B. 106 out of 150. 106 of 150. Ty Montgomery. Extra points. Insert. And on to these rookies. We got Stacy Coley for the Vikings. Ardarius Stewart, Jets. Malik Hooker for the Colts. Marquez White, Cowboys. Desmond King for the Chargers. Jared Evans for the Eagles. Carl Lawson, Bengals. Raekwon McMillan for the Dolphins. Adoree Jackson, Tennessee Titans. Jonathan Allen for the Redskins. And Edgerrin James. Wow. This is one of my favorite players, guys. Edgerrin James, 16 out of 25 for the Colts. Going out to Indy. Who got it? Catherine B. Very nice. Banner season autograph, Edgerrin James. He'll make the Hall of Fame next year. Freaking monster. Congrats on that. Ooh. And nice little rookie behind that. Dalvin Cook. Yep. Congrats. Dalvin Cook, Florida State. That one's going out to the Vikings. Minnesota and Chad C. Very nice. And blue chip prospects, David Njoku for the Cleveland Browns. And Pooch. And another banner season. See, we've hit a bunch of these banner seasons, and every time I see that blank spot down there, I say, oh, that would look nice with some ink on it. And yeah, Edrin got some ink on it. But yeah, that would look nice with some ink on it. Tennessee. And going out to the Rams, Jared Goff. And Barry Sanders for the Lions. Hardware, Christian Hackenberg for the Jets. Alex Smith, base. Wallace, Allen, Des Bryant. Sorry, Chris. Damn, he just got cut today, too. Chris Ivory, Hayward, Doug Martin, Brock Osweiler, Smith, Ted Ginn, Curly Fleener, and the Kid Reporter, base. All right, pack 2. Here we go. Jermaine Kearse, Vance McDonald, Lorenzo, Travis Kelce, Josh McCown, Jets, Britt, Frank Gore, Cam Newton, Howard, Gates, Williams, Watt, first insert, Mike Glennon, purple extra points variation for the Bears. Going out to Chicago, and that one's number 80. 80 out of 100, Mike Glennon for the Bears. And Chris J, that purple variation. And nice rookie behind that for the Bears, Mitchell Trubisky. Very nice. Dwayne Smoot for the Jags. Nathan Peterman, Bills. OJ Howard, rookie for the Bucks. Another nice one. Alvin Kamara going out to the Saints, Keith B. Josh Malone for the Bengals, Jared Davis, John Ross, R. Joshua Dobbs, Caleb Brantley, and Davis Webb for the New York Giants. Going out to New York, and that is Pooch 199, Davis Webb extra points, rookie auto 91 out of 150. Of 150, that is the green variation. Very nice. For the Giants, Carson Wentz, Curtis Samuel, rookie for the Panthers. Another banner season, Broadway Joe Namath for the Jets, Larry Zonka, Dolphins, Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins. Connections dual insert for the Broncos, Elway and Vance Johnson. Prescott base, Dorsett, Thomas, Woodhead, Rashard Matthews, Brandon Cooks, Hayward Bay, Baldwin, Le'Veon Bell, and Joey Bosa all base. Alright, good start. Nice front two packs. Let's see if we can hit another monster here. And there he is, guys. We did it. Congrats. There it is. Monster hit. Billy the Kid Reporter. Don't scan that code, guys. Don't scan that code. Save it for whoever gets it in the random. Here we go. First up, Thomas Rawls base. Diggs, Ertz, Kessler, AP, Adams, Thomas, Tyler Boyd, Keenan Allen, Allen Robinson, and Myles Garrett for the Browns. Got another green Prestige rookie insert variation 37. 37 out of 150. It's hard to see. Sorry about that. 37 of 150 going out to the Cleveland Browns. And that is Pooch. Pooch is getting every hit on this, huh? Very nice, man. Leonard Fournette, Jacksonville Jaguars. Going out to Chris J. Nice rookie. Brian Hill, Atlanta Falcons. Tankersley for the Dolphins. Chad Hansen, rookie for the Jets. Jabril Peppers for the Browns. Travis Rudolph, Giants. Derek Barnett for the Eagles. Reuben Foster, rookie for the Niners. Chris Godwin, Tampa Bay. And then, boom. Houston and Chris J. Deshaun Watson, rookie. And what do we got behind that? Linebacker Zach Cunningham, also for the Texans. So back-to-back hits for, boom, Houston and Chris J. Zach Cunningham, a rookie auto. Very nice. For the Texans. Nice. And banner season insert for Tennessee. And for the Bears, Chris J. Mitchell Trubisky. Alvin Kamara. Nice. Going out to the Saints, Keys B. Blue chip prospects. A rookie insert. No numbering on those. And Laquan Treadwell for the Vikes. Stafford and Golden Tate insert for the Lions. And we got a Devontae Booker insert, Miami. And we got some base. Gurley, Romo, Humphreys, Murray, Tannehill, Yeldon, Graham, Spencer Ware, Parker, Luck, Washington, and Muhammad Sanu. All right, last pack. Good luck, guys. One more autograph on deck. Good luck, everybody. Next up is Jonathan Stewart, Funches, Fuller, Langford, Austin, Rogers. And we got Paul Perkins, Goff, Coleman, Hopkins, Gresham, Nelson. And wide receiver for the Chargers going out to LA, Artavius Scott. That is a purple prestige variation number 2 of 100. 61 out of 100 going out to Pooch. Out of 199, Cooper Kupp, rookie for the Rams. And we got Elijah Qualls for the Eagles. Malik McDowell for the Seahawks. Sheldon Gibson, rookie for the Eagles. Corey Davis, Tennessee Titans. Jamal Williams, rookie for the Packers. Kevin King, also for the Packers. Juju Smith-Schuster going out to the Pittsburgh Steelers. Greg Ward Jr. for the Eagles. And for the Steelers, James Conner. New York Giants, Phil McConkey. New York Giants. And that one's going out to Pooch. Pooch has been killing it on this break. Phil McConkey, Prestige, New York Giants autograph. Legendary signatures. And that one is 22. Number 22 out of 100 for the G-Man. Very nice. And we got a big board Dante Foreman, rookie for the Texans, going out to Houston, and Chris J. No, Dante Foreman. Yeah, Devontae Freeman. Okay. Ricky Williams banner season and rookie for Carolina. Going out to the Panthers and Jerry D. Christian McCaffrey. Rookie insert. Packers connection. Adams and Rogers. And Christian Hackenberg for the Jets. Colts insert. This one is Peyton Manning. And the rest is base. Jason Pierre-Paul. Terrence West. Mariota. Duke Johnson. Jack Doyle. Will Tye. Eric Decker. Dennis Pitta. Kelly and Conklin. Alright, thanks again, guys, for getting in on the Prestige Football. Appreciate it. Bambino, we're out.